Hey guys, and welcome back. So after filming yesterday's influencer, what was it? The Wellness Complete Health Cat Box, I decided to check my influencer account and I received this. I think this is the spring Voxbox and I've not opened it yet. You can see it's still taped right there. So let's open it and see what's in here. I love these box boxes. They usually come with a lot of great stuff because you get, it's not just like a box for one brand, it's a box for all the brands. So I'm gonna turn this down so you can see. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Okay. So this is everything that's in here and I will go through and show all of it to you. So first, the first thing on the top is this Dream Come True Miracle Deep Moisturizing Mask. Looks like that. And this says it's everything.
EVERY thing.
Luxurious hydration to fight back against all the hair struggles. Stiff, brittle, rough, frizzy, and dull. I thought this was a face mask, but okay.
Look at this color treated mess.
This is your new gotta have it, do everything hair mask. It's very squishy. This is made by Glow Recipe. And it's the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum Brightening and Smoothing. Ooh. It has pineapple, vitamin C, and chamomile. Oh, it has pineapple juice, vitamin C, chamomile, and hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. Let's see what this looks like. Top of the package. Oh, this is cute. And this is the bottle. How cute. It looks like a little pineapple. That's adorable. Oh, this smells like, what are those cakes called? A pineapple upside down cake? Oh, it smells so good. Neat. It's a Vera Bradley edition. Just Venus razor. Extra smooth. And it comes with two razor heads. That's cute. And I got a coupon for $3 off the razor heads. That's good. The razor heads are always more expensive. Okay. So this. Okay, so it's hard for the camera to pick this up because it's so shiny. But this is the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Serum Primer Radiance and Moisture. So this is what it looks like. Is a serum primer. Oh, that is cute. Let me see if I turn this down. If you can see, it's like opal-y colored. That's cute. This is what my hand looks like after. Here's my other one for comparison. No sheen. All the sheens. And then also from Beauty Blender, I got this sample of a dry oil primer. I got a sample of the Pore Minimizing Primer from Beauty Blender. And another sample of the Pore Minimizing Primer from Beauty Blender, and it's called the Leveler. Oh, and to go along with the Vera Bradley Gillette razor, I got the Vera Bradley Ultra Moisture Blush Bloom Gillette Shaving Cream. That's nice to have. And last but not least, it's called Inches and it's made by MCJW. It's a reconstructing moisture protein treatment. It's vegan and cruelty free.
Oh, this is for hair. I thought it was lotion.
This is a reconstructing treatment to intensely help rebuild dry, damaged, and brittle hair types. Looking to get some or keep some inches. Yeah, that's all. Oh, and this has a list of how much everything costs. So this, the full size, which I would assume this is because it's huge, is normally $26. This hair mask is usually $28. The razor is usually $12.99. That's normal, I guess. This is, it has a little gel gauge. So this is usually $2.99. That's not bad. This stuff, the glow recipe stuff, is usually $49. And it's exclusively at Sephora. So if you want to try that stuff out, go to Sephora, honey. Okay, and last but not least is the Beauty Blender. Opal Essence Selfie Shield and the Level Primers are also $32 and exclusively at Sephora. So if you want those, that's where you get them. But I got all of this for free from Influenster, and this is a little card that tells me everything that I need to do with these products. I will leave my link in the description below, just like yesterday, for you to sign up and get your own free stuff. It helps a lot if you go and do reviews on things that you've already used. Like I do a lot of the reviews for the makeup stuff that I've used, so I think that's why I always get these, like the spring box and the summer box. So that helps to get the box as well, the good stuff in them. All this is free. You just have to post like this one. It says go to the app, find your campaign. This one's called Hello Spring Voxbox. Try your products. You unlock all the badges. Like this one, say it'll have like a badge for Venus. It'll have a badge for the Pineapple C Serum, a badge for the Beauty Blender, and a badge for the hair mask. You'll unlock that and get different points, and then once you finish every task, you'll get the badge on your profile. And it also helps if you add all of your social media. Add your Instagram, add your Twitter, add your Facebook, add your, if you have a YouTube channel, add your YouTube, Pinterest, Google, anything that you have, I mean, even if you don't have followers on it. I don't have any followers on Tumblr, but I added mine on there because I never use Tumblr. I don't have any followers on there because I never use it, but it still gave me like 16 points, I think. And you get it's called an impact score. Mine is at like 6,300 maybe. But anyways, the higher the impact score, the more likely you are to get these boxes. Plus, you know, doing the reviews on the things that you like. Like say, I don't really review anything for fitness, so they're not going to send me a fitness Voxbox. But I do a lot of reviews on my makeup purchases, and they send me, you know, a lot of the makeup and the hair Voxboxes. So yeah, that's it. That's a little bit about Influenster, and that is my Hello Spring Voxbox unboxing. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys.